A few days ago, I got this guy. Hold on, I'll be right back. And this was the box. Yeah. Do you remember that? If you remember. Okay, I'll put that. And then I told you about I'm getting Loki and President Loki. Right here, right now. Look at this. President Loki. Okay, so we're gonna open it now, and then we're gonna show them. There we go. Here we go. So we got Loki, President Loki. And if you want to see the box, wait, just remember. So I'm just gonna show you the box in the last one. It's this, and the box is this. You can get Loki, Morbius, Sylvie, President Loki, this one, and Nova with Missed Minutes, and then Kid Loki. So yeah, we got him and him. But I also bought this Deadpool. Is this Deadpool head? I think maybe we got one of these guys. Let's get these guys as well. And guess what? I'm gonna be making a movie. Another movie. But it's Funko movie. The Funko movie part. So starring Loki, Spider-Man, him, those guys over there, and Mark. So we're gonna do a 360 view of all of them, starting from Captain America, then him, and I'm gonna show you my whole collection. Time of this down. Happened the last time. So this is the Captain America one. I already had this one. The one I already had. Switch it out. And then we got the Power Ranger, the non-bobblehead one. Everyone has to fall. And then the last one that we had was obviously the him. If you new, you should go check out that video. No. Oh Mayo, we can beat all my hello. Wait, okay. And now the new one. That probably has the most detail out of all of them, if I'm being honest. Okay, let me just show you. The detail on the shoes, the detail on the, as in the detail of the shirt. Well, maybe of a parent. Got the Wolverine. There's Wolverine up there. Hulk right there. Deadpool, and then we have one of these guys. So, and that's okay, just sit there. So this is a cool one, and we have bruh. So yep, these are everyone. Chrissy, wake up! Chrissy, wake up! Chrissy, wake up! Chrissy, wake up! Who do you think I should get next? This is the best group. You should definitely subscribe if you want to see more Funko Pop and unboxing.